Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into OnlyFans account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your OnlyFans account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in onlyfans.com and hit on enter. And after that you'll be redirected to the home page of OnlyFans over here, and you can see guys, you'll be able to directly log into your OnlyFans account from the home page. All you need to do is enter your email address with which you had created a OnlyFans account over here, and after that enter your password, whichever may it be. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your account's password, or you can just log in with your X account or your Google account. If you click on either of these buttons, a login page to X or Google will open, and if you log into your respected accounts, you'll be signed into OnlyFans with your X account or your Google account. And that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into OnlyFans account online on your computer. And guys, this is how to log into your OnlyFans account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.